In this video, we'll walk you through scheduling your next session step by step. To schedule a class session, simply click on the Schedule button located on the top right of the application. First, provide the title, then select the participants you want to add. You can add classes, groups, specific contacts, or even external participants who don't have a Roombr account. You can also upload a list of external participants using an Excel sheet. Now, choose the date and time for the session, as well as the duration. Once done, click on the Create button to schedule the session. But wait, there's more. We offer advanced features like repeating session occurrences, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also create webinar sessions for large groups or live stream sessions for even larger audiences. Additionally, you can choose to make your session public or keep it private. By default, sessions are private and accessible only to invited Roombr users. Finally, decide whether your session will have audio and video or just audio. By default, sessions are audio and video enabled. By default, the auto record session option is enabled. You can also disable auto recording if needed, so the session recording will not start automatically when the session begins. Once done, click on Create button. An email will be sent to all participants regarding the session, including the session link. And there you have it. Your session is scheduled with all the advanced features you need, ready to engage your students. Let's get started.
Roombr.